Welcome to Section 7 of the Complete Android Developer course. Congratulations once again on making it this far, and here we're going to move on from maps and geolocation, and we're going to start looking at permanent data storage. So far, all of the arrays and variables that we create in our apps are forgotten as soon as the app is shut down, which isn't great for most apps. So we're going to see in the first video how to store data permanently, and then we're going to move on from that to create a notes app. Then we're going to see how to store more complex types of data using databases, and we're going to move on at the very end and make a newsreader app, which will be the biggest, most complex app you've made yet. It should be a lot of fun, and it will give you a lot of skills that you'll definitely need in your real app development. And I'll encourage you once again to go back onto freelancer.com or similar websites and also start developing apps for friends and family, local businesses, whoever needs them, just to get a bit of practice in. It's a lot of fun. I hope you're enjoying yourself, and I'll see you at the end of this section.